Welcome to my channel, A Lifetime of Travels, and I'm going to show you something very unique I saw in Dubai. It's about oranges. It has to do with fruit juice. Not like fresh squeezed orange juice. Well, imagine these fresh oranges coming to a vending machine and from there into your glass as fresh cold orange juice squeezed right in front of you. Let me show you a vending machine which has oranges in them and it squeezes their juice, and not at a big price. Let me show you how. You need to tender 10 dirhams into the vending machine, which is about 2 to 3 US dollars. And then it places that glass under there, and now the oranges will start dropping, getting cut into halves and squeezing the juice that collects in that glass. The first orange goes right there. Second one, and there's about 7 to 8 of them per glass, I am told. There's the juice collecting. And this machine is air conditioned or cooled inside, so the oranges are cool and the juice will come out chilled and cool. You see that juice flowing in, collecting in the glass, almost done. But yeah, no, just don't take it yet. It has to pack it, seal it. There it goes to get sealed. And now you can pick it up. So I had my friend Vijay take it out from there and show it to us. There it is, with a nice packing, ready to puncture and dip in a straw and enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, do let me know in comments, share it with your friends on social media, and like the video. And if you really like my channel, do subscribe to it. I will bring you such interesting and unique experiences from around my travels. Thank you.